Hi guys, it's Nick from Embrosa, and today I want to show you how to beautify your market in the app with the app setup. Right now I just created this test market. It's still empty, no campaigns yet, but I want to modify it in the app. I can click on the properties here on app setup. I get this screen and here I can fill in the details. So for example, this will be the name of your market. I just call it Embrosa. We can fill in the logo. I prepared it right here. So the logo will be visible here. I can select the header image. I also prepared that one. So there will be a logo, a header image. I can fill in the description. Is a great market. You can fill in here more info about your market, about your brand. And you can fill in the links. For example, if I want to link to the Embrosa website, I can fill in the title, the link, and upload the image here as well. I will just do the same header for this example. I click on confirm, and this will be the app setup, and then here will be the content visible. You can add more links if you want. Also a longer text is just an example. Okay, this is how your market will look like in the Embrosa app. Thank you for watching.